Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video I am bringing to you this smoky touch of turquoise makeup look. I really hope you guys are interested. I do have a few announcements at the end of the video, so make sure you hang tight and stay till the end. So if you guys are interested in how I got this makeup look, then stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay guys, so as you see, my brows are done. I put my concealer on and I put my translucent powder. So for today's video, unlike my last two makeup related videos, I am not going to do my face makeup on camera because it's just the same exact routine as I've done on my previous videos. So I am going to mention what concealer I did use because it's not the same as the last one. I am hooked on the 16-hour Camo Concealer from e.l.f. Cosmetics. If you guys like the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, then you'll love this concealer here because it works just the same. I only have one con with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and that is that it dries really quickly. So when I'm applying it, let's say on this side, I will make sure I blend it out prior to putting it on this side. And that is what I do with this one. It works the same way. It has a nice wand. So I really like this product and I highly recommend it. So now that we have our brows, concealer, and translucent powder, I'm going to be using two palettes for today's look, and that is the James Charles palette and the Celestial Thunder palette from Dominique Cosmetics. So I'm going for a brown and turquoise vibe for today's look, a little smoky moment with maybe a turquoise liner. So we're gonna get creative with this because I don't own a turquoise liquid liner or a pencil liner for that. So that is why I'm gonna be using this palette here to create that turquoise liner look. So let's begin. So I'm first going in with the James Charles palette, and we're gonna be taking this shade right here. It's a nice brown shade and it's perfect for a transition. And we're just gonna apply it all over the lid. If you guys watched my everyday makeup tutorial or natural glam tutorial, I do this first, and just like in that video I mentioned, I always use this eyeshadow. Next I'm going to pick up a chocolate brown, which is this shade right here, and I'm going to apply that just like the first shade all over my lid, but I'm going to be fading it out upward. So now it's extremely smoky, and I raised it a little bit, angled it, and we're going to be blending it out with a brush, but I'm going to move on to this side now. I'm now going to take a different brush and just blend it out a little bit more. And that's pretty much the base of the look. Now this is where we're going to get a little creative. We're going to use that Dominique Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to create kind of like a liner look. So the shade I'm going to go in with is this one right here, and that is the Mystic Ice shade. It's a perfect blue and it has like a touch of turquoise. So I'm taking a flat brush here and applying some concealer. That way the shade can be a lot brighter and definitely stick onto it versus just applying it as is. And I'm just going to go above my crease for this. So now we have the concealer up here, which is like halfway, and then at the bottom by my lash line. Taking this pencil brush super thin, and then I'm going to go in with that Mystic Ice shade and just go over where we put the concealer. It's okay if you go out of the little area that you put the concealer. Like if you're not directly on the concealer when you put the shadow, that's okay, because then you could wipe it off with a brush. It's going to be easier to wipe away because the concealer is not there for it to stick on, if that makes sense. So you're still going to have that nice precise line. Then I'm going to go back with my fluff brush, and we're just going to kind of take out the blue wherever we don't want it. Now I'm taking a baby wipe and just sharpening up that line there as well as cutting it up a little bit. So that is the brown with the turquoise. We're gonna add an inner corner highlight. I'm taking the white shade from the James Charles palette and applying it in my inner corner. Now I'm gonna apply some mascara. And that is that. So I have a nice brown angled smoky eye with a touch of turquoise out of the inner corner, and then I put on some mascara. I'm going to finish off the rest of my makeup, so I'm going to be doing my face makeup, and I'm still unsure if I'm going to do falsies, but if I do, I'll be doing that off camera as well, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. A nice chocolate brown smoky eye with a touch of turquoise as a nice liner. I did end up adding some falsies. I did my entire face makeup. I'll link down the video below where you can get my full face makeup routine. I also put on this lip, and this is from Bite Beauty. It's a beautiful maroony burgundy shade. I thought the lip went perfect with the chocolate brown, and the turquoise was like an add-on to like a Bye Summer and Hello Fall. That's kind of how I'm looking at this, but I really do like how it turned out. I hope you guys did too. It was a quick tutorial, and that's how I plan on doing most of my eye makeup looks for the future. But I have some exciting news. This video in particular is going to be my last video for September. However, the month of October is literally right around the corner, and all throughout the month of October, I'm going to be filming Halloween makeup related videos. I'm so excited. I never really took the time or the dedication to film Halloween looks for you guys. I have last year, super proud, posted some looks on my Instagram, so if you guys haven't checked that out, they're still up there. Check them out. But this year I'm going to be taking the time and filming some videos for you guys, and I'm just super duper excited for this time of year. I will also be posting 2 times a week versus just once a week like I do now. So stay tuned for all of that fun content, and if you have any Halloween related makeup videos that you'd like to see from me, then leave it down below in the comment section. Alright guys, so this concludes our video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give me a big thumbs up if you did, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, then subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!